And over at JP Resort, J Vermont. This goes down to the ski patrol, but we're not gonna go down there. Because I don't want to get in trouble. And for you fire alarm fans, look at that. This uses a Gentex system. They kind of ran away with Thyssenkrupp VR here. I think TK VR would have been a better fit for this instead of these Thyssenkrupp ones, which are prone to cracking all the time. We're gonna go up on 4 because I don't want to get caught. Here's the date and time, by the way. I'm filming all these videos with my iPhone because my Handycam's at 1 bar battery and I don't want to waste it for tomorrow. Here we are at 3. We're on a 2. We're gonna do 1 ride on this. All the Thyssenkrupp contacts. Oops. This is the upper level of the cafeteria. Oops. Stand in the back. This thing is very industrial looking. Look at this. It's got metal everything. And we're gonna get off at 2. Because I don't know what's on B and I don't know what's on A. Yep, it rang. Here it goes.